learn how to fly a helicopter.
Okay, ito Samu. Ngayon, tuturo ko sa yung function ng helicopter. Number 1, this is the blade, main blades. Look. This size is 600. Sa brand na to, ang tawag dito is Subgoblin 570. Tri-blade or 3 blades. This is a special helicopter. And look at the blades. It's made out of carbon fiber. It's very dangerous. It's not for kids, especially without supervision. Unless your kids already know how to fly properly. And ano to? Para siyang flying lawnmower grass cutter. So it can kill you. That's why it's not for kids. And ngayon, habang si Samu bata pa, we have to teach him how to fly. So soon, he can fly really good. So again, going back. Samu. Remote natin, ang tawag dito, Mode 2. Mode 2 meaning, yung throttle niya is nasa left side. Huwag mong pinutin yan. Huwag mong galawin yan. Meaning, yung gas natin or yung throttle natin is on the left side. Ito yung cyclics natin. To make you understand it, for you to better understand the situation, ito, ganito. Ito, this is a sample. We have a smaller one and a bit bigger one, medium size. So ito, Samu. Ang function ng throttle, ito, tingnan mo, dapat lagi siyang naka-zero. Para yung blades mo is naka-zero. Ito, nagro-rotate yung blade natin. Pag ganyan, punta sa kanan, clockwise. So, kung nagro-rotate siya ng kanan, dapat lagi siyang naka-flat. All the way flat. That means zero pitch, walang lift. So, kahit umikot siya ng malakas na malakas, hindi siya aangat. Kasi naka-zero pitch. All the way flat. But as soon as mag-apply tayo ng positive pitch, which means, nakababa tong part na to, at itong part na to nakataas, tingnan mo. The more you move it this way, up, the more you get more lift. See, habang umiikot?
Then it's going high and high and
Yes.
high and
Look.
higher.
Pag in-apply mo siya ng konting positive pitch, aangat siya pa unti-unti. Tapos, pag dinagdagan mo pa yung pitch mo, naging ganyan, then your helicopter will fly really high.
And when you make that, that's going very fast down.
Yes, that's what we call negative pitch. Negative pitch. Siyempre, ang rotation is clockwise. Itong part naman na to, itong back part is going up and the front part is going down. Look. Look. And then it's rotating like this, spinning this way. Clockwise. Then yung helicopter naman is all the way down. The more you apply more pitch, negative pitch, the more it will go down. Well, look at this helicopter as a sample. This helicopter, kahit anong ikot mo dyan, in zero pitch, it will never have a lift. It will not fly high, butterfly. But as soon as you apply positive pitch, it will slowly go up. And then the more you apply pitch, the more it will fly up. But as soon as you put it back again, it will not lift again. It will not fly again.
It's going down.
And then, pag in-apply natin siya ng negative pitch, which means, itong side na nasa back part ay nasa taas. At ang rotation niya still clockwise, so the helicopter will fly down. Okay? Ang function ng negative pitch is when you fly upside down, so you can maintain the helicopter in a flying position. You can still fly it up. And then, positive pitch becomes down, flying. The helicopter is flying down. So, intindihan mo na? And then, ito yung function niya. Ito yung function ng ating throttle. Up, positive pitch, negative pitch. Okay? Zero pitch, positive pitch. Back to zero, negative pitch. Ito naman, yung tail control. Yung control natin ito. Ito. Yeah, exactly. Tama, Samu. Exactly. So, ito yan. Function niya yun. Pag in-apply mo ito punta dito, it will spin all the way to the right. The more you put it more to the right. Samu, again, ang function nito, is, this is a 3D helicopter, meaning this is an acrobatic helicopter. This do a lot of stunts. Okay? Ito yung ginagamit natin sa mga pang-acrobat helicopter. It flies upside down. It flies this way, and every kinds of movements. Because, ano to? 3D helicopter, meaning acrobatic helicopter to. So again, going back. Itong part na to is, pag pinunta mo siya dito, mag-spin ang helicopter all the way to the right. And the more you apply and put the stick all the way to the left side, it will spin all the way to the right. The more you put it there, the faster it will spin. Okay, this way. Ganun din sa kabila. Pag nilagay mo naman dito, papuntang kanan, mag-spin pa rin siya. But this time, going to the left naman. It will spin going to the left. The more you apply the stick going to the right, the faster it will spin to the left side. Alright? Then, ang function naman ito, going back, dito naman tayo sa right stick. Itong right stick sa mo is, ano to?
Up.
Forward. Look here. Forward. And then, ito naman is backward.
And that this.
Yeah. Again. This one, going to the right side,
This
going
one.
to the left. Yeah. So typically, a helicopter don't fly very smooth like a drone. When you put the stick up, it will not fly like this immediately. You have to do a lot of corrections. Alright? If you fly the helicopter up, you have to combine all the sticks to make it maintain in the steady position. Para hindi siya nakaganyan, hindi siya nakaganon. It's quite difficult to learn. But as soon as you learn the basics, everything is easy. Okay? Yeah, ganyan ang lipad, taas. Oh, sige. Nasaan yung forward? Oh, exactly. Eto, ano to? Which part? Oh, good. Eto, going to the right. Ano to? Oh, tama. Ito. Good job. Eto. Other side. Yan. Eto. Kabila naman. Pag going to the left, going to the right yung stick. Yan. Eto naman. Negative pitch. Pakita mo. Apply ka ng negative pitch. From 0 to negative. Then it will maintain the helicopter. Upside down. Okay? And then, soon we're gonna progress to more aerobatic controls. So yan muna. We stick to the basic. Ito yung ating, again, we have the 0 pitch, meaning naka-flat siya all the way. And the blades is spinning clockwise. If you apply positive pitch, this back part should be down and the front part should be up. The more you apply positive pitch, the more it will fly high, butterfly. And then, opposite side, negative pitch. Back part naman is going up, front part going down. So, pag nag-spin siya, pabaliktad naman yung ano. So ito yung sample natin. Samo? Okay? This is it's advanced for advanced pilot. This is not advisable for beginners. It's very dangerous. As what you can see, it's made out of carbon fiber. This can slice you and kill you instantly. Kaya hindi siya pwede sa mga beginners. This is for intermediate and pro pilot.
And now fly it.
Now
We go to
with this.
the simulator. Parang same thing lang din, ng real airplane. You fly first from simulator so you can fly.
The cool thing is, if you know how to handle it, it's the same like from a real helicopter board, right?
Yes, exactly. And, Samu, ang function ng simulator is that the person will learn, even you crash multiple times, will not gonna cost you anything since you just have to restart it. So it will not gonna cost you anything. If you crash, then it's okay. But then, once you gain all those skills and knowledge how to properly fly a helicopter, Samo, later on we're gonna move on to the real RC helicopter.
So first, we will do this.
Ito, go Samo. Show them. Motor off muna, motor off. Okay, we start with jets. Teka lang. Tanggalin muna natin to. Oh. Okay, motor on. Okay, go. Basic muna, you stay in one position. Maintain the helicopter. Go. Maintain. Maintain the helicopter. Maintain. Oh,
Und crash.
patay.
So it means it's not so easy, gell?
Maintain the helicopter in stable position, no? Again. That's why you have to do all corrections. Sa muscle memory, you have to do the controls all at the same time. So, here's the goal mo. Here's the technique. For you to... Ito muna sa mo. Ito, basic control. Ang goal mo is, tinan mo yung harapan. Yung harapan is lang dapat nandun sa harapan. Tinan mo yung harapan ng helicopter, dapat naka-front, naka-face forward. Okay? Balik mo lang yung helicopter dito. Your goal is to keep the helicopter in this position. Okay? Pag nandun yung uso, ibalik mo lang dito. Okay. So, sa mo, ang goal mo is to keep the helicopter in stable position. Yan, ganyan lang. Yung harapan niya dapat naka-face forward. Ito yung harapan, yan yung harapan. Dapat sa harap, doon yung nakaharap sa kabila. And then, Samo has to maintain it this way. And ganyan lang, Samo. Maintain mo lang siya. And then, pagka nag-gain control mo na, then of course, you are capable. You can do already some aerobatics move. Basic technique. Not yet, Samo. And then, some basic TikToks.
Not crash.
Yeah, kaya lang, Samo eh.
It's crash.
9 properly. Not crash. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense to teach you. Go.
Crash is not the goal. This will happen anyway.
9. That's what you avoid to happen.
Yeah.
Crash means more money. More money means you have to pay more.
Ready?
Go, Samo.
Oh, 9.
Okay, practice. Ganun lang ay tinuro ng daddy. Practice lang.
One more try.
Yan. Stable position.
Oh,
Again,
super.
control.
So nicht kaputt.
Sige, akyat. Taas konti. Yan. Ganyan lang. In that position lang. Same altitude. Yan. Maintain the altitude.
Oh,
Maintain the altitude, Samo. Maintain the altitude. Yan. Oh, harap.
oh. Yeah, it's the first time. You have to
Nein,
get...
ich hab wieder so hochgeflogen einmal. Oh nein.
That's still good.
Balik.
Oh nein, ich weiß nicht, wie man zurückkommt.
That's why, Samo. Stay in this position.